The YOSUDA Under Desk Elliptical offers adjustable resistance and speed settings, allowing users to customize their workout intensity to match their personal fitness goals. This compact seated pedal exerciser provides a low-impact workout that is gentle on the joints, making it an excellent choice for seniors and those with sedentary lifestyles. Its quiet operation ensures that you can exercise discreetly at your desk, helping you to burn calories and maintain productivity simultaneously. The durable motor of the YOSUDA Elliptical ensures a smooth workout experience, making it ideal for use while working, watching television, or reading without causing distractions. With a user-friendly design, this elliptical is easy to operate with a simple one-button start and includes a remote control for added convenience. The YOSUDA Under Desk Elliptical requires no assembly, is lightweight for easy storage, and offers exceptional customer support, backed by over 20 years of experience in home exercise equipment.